this out.
Allez, on est bon.
So there's 14,000 people running from Nice to Cannes, which is a 40-kilometer run. Here they are just coming back. It's taken them 4.5 hours to run, but what a place to run. I mean, you got such beautiful views, the beach, the sunshine, and they're just absolutely amazing to see people running 40 kilometers in one day, 4.5 hours roughly to do the run.
Allez papa! Allez Michel! Allez!
Got family members cheering each other on.
C'est le 29-17. Allez, 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 allez!
Playing the music right here on the beach.
Teacher, leave those kids alone. Hey, teacher, leave those kids alone. Oh, no, you just are never breaking the rules.
Gotta say, a nice place playing the drums, playing the guitar right here on the beach.
You just are never breaking.
There's a little bit of the celebration. You see how exhausted they are. Bravo, 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 bravo. Have a look at all the garbage from the wind. And it's a problem when you have water stations for all the runners, and this is the results. Have a look at this. Here's the finish line. And you got music playing right here. I mean, what a place to have the music. Well, the marathon's finished and everybody's cleaning up.
I will survive.
Well done for singing on the beach here. That's what it's like at the end of the marathon on the 40 kilometer from Nice to Cannes.